Number 3. What is the work done on the crate by the normal force with a magnitude of F sub n exerted on the crate by the ramp? Hint, recall that the normal force is perpendicular to the surface of the ramp. Okay, so again, here is our normal force. Okay, so again, work is equal to total force multiplied by displacement. It turns out to be 0 joules. It's 0 joules. Why is it 0 joules? Because the work done by the normal force, okay, is in opposition to, right, the side through this adjacent side. Sorry, the opposite side here. And so the normal force, okay, is not balancing anything that is moving in this plane. Okay, in this plane, so you'd say the crate is not moving off of the inclined plane, and it's not moving into the inclined plane, right? So the work specifically done by the normal force, is not causing the crate to fly off of the plane, off of the inclined plane. So displacement, right? D is going to be 0. Doesn't matter how strong the force is. If there's no displacement due to that specific force, that force is not doing work on the object. You can also represent that as Newton meters, because that's what a joule is, a Newton meter. Okay, it's a unit of energy. Okay, but what we're supposed to take away here is a normal force is not responsible for any displacement. And so displacement is 0. And so work has to be 0 joules.